From Wild Science comes sweet and stretchy edible slime factory. Can you find the perfect edible slime? Use physical and chemical changes to turn special ingredients into amazing stretchy slime. Make sour slime, fruit juice slime, and chocolate slime. Try making snot slime or super gooey putty to play with now or keep safe for later. Cook up some slimy eyeballs, slippery slugs, and icky worms. Make gelatin slime and blobby gelatin blubber. Roll cornstarch slime into a ball and then stop rolling to feel it flow through your fingers. With a few extra ingredients, you can make your own gummy slime, marshmallow slime, jelly bean slime, and more. The full-color 20-page instruction booklet includes 25 super slimy activities. Sweet and stretchy edible slime factory. And remember, there's only one Wild Science.